Hi guys, Mr. Gama. I'm going to be your financial literacy teacher for period two. I'm going to be teaching from home, so you'll have a supervisor in the class, but I'll be teaching you from the computer. So we'll be working through Google Classroom for everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to present a PowerPoint that I'm also going to give you guys through Google Classroom that goes over your expectations for the year and how we're going to kind of run things, whether it's attendance or handing in work and things like that. Okay. So I'm going to cast it. All right. So you guys are period two, which runs from 12:19 p.m. to 12:59 p.m. The day A students will get their school instruction from Tuesday and Thursday, and then Wednesday and Friday you'll get your at-home instruction, kind of like last spring was the distance learning, and then Monday will sort of be like an extra help day or an extra day to kind of make up work that you might have missed on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then Monday night at midnight is when all of the stuff from the previous week starting Tuesday is going to be due. Okay, same thing for day B, except the in-school and at-home instruction switch. Tuesday and Thursday, you're at home. Wednesday and Friday, you're in school. But same thing for Monday. Now for the distance learning students, you're going to be digitally at home working Tuesday through Friday. Okay. I'm going to try and keep everything the same, whether you're day A, day B, or at home. Tuesday is going to be the same instructional stuff. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so on and so forth. And where Monday can be like a Google Meet day for extra help in making up things like that from the previous week. Some important information. Like I said earlier, day A and day B students, you'll have an in-school supervisor teacher for the 40 minutes of instruction in school. I'm going to teach the same content. The days you're at home, you're going to be also having to do work, sort of like you did in the spring where you were distance learning. So you'll be in school 2 days, distance learning 2 days. And then the distance learning students will be at home all 4 of the instructional days. And then Monday will be, again, more of an extra help day. Now, some things about for attendance. This shouldn't say for distance learning students. This is going to be for all students. Okay. Now our class starts at 12:19. So what I expect you to do is at the beginning of class, whether you're in school or at home, you're going to sign into our daily attendance form. Okay. The link is right here, but I'm going to post it into Classroom. Okay. And you'll see something like this, right? Google Forms. It might not say sign in, but you're going to click on it and this is what's going to pop up. Right? It's not going to say demo attendance. It'll say period 2 attendance, but you're going to put your first name and last name. So mine will be Matthew Gama. Say I'm signing in for the week of November 9th to the 13th. And the day of the week is Wednesday. I'm signing in. Okay. So that's all you have to do. And then press submit. And then you're done for your attendance for the day. Okay. So you'll be marked present. Now, if you forget, you're going to be marked absent for the day. So make sure right when you get into my class, the first thing you do is your attendance, or if you're at home, first thing you do is during our period time is do that attendance thing. Okay. I also get timestamps of when you turn in your attendance. I get notifications, right? So if you forgot on Tuesday and it's Wednesday and you try and submit for Tuesday, I'm going to know I can't change it. Okay. So make sure daily attendance, very easy, name, week, and then day of the week. Bam, you're done. Right. It should take you like 10 seconds tops. All right. So you're going to have to do that every day. All right. And this kind of maps out what I just said. Our class time for the whole year is 12:19 to 12:59 p.m. Okay, so you want to do it in that time span. Now, how do class work and notes work? Well, this class is going to be mostly you're going to be learning on your own. Okay, so it's going to be kind of student-driven learning. Each day you will be assigned a part of one of the sections that we cover. Okay, you can see the example over here. This was day 2, okay, of this certain section. Okay, kind of gives you an estimated of the time that it'll take as well for each section. The assignment will be posted in Classroom. Each person gets this document right here. It's going to be like a Google Doc copy. I'll show you in a second. Each student gets their own, so you're going to actually physically edit your own. Okay, so you'll click into it. You'll write your answers under the questions here, and then you end up submitting the document and turning it in. Okay. The left side is the resources. Sometimes it might say click on this resource and read it. Sometimes you might click on a resource and it might be a video, and you answer the questions on the right side according to the video. Okay, so now it'll look something like this. See, here be a posted assignment. You can also click on classwork. It'll show the classwork that you haven't turned in, or you can view your work. So I click on this, and then each person will have their we'll say this section, and then I'll say student, and then day 1, maybe day 2, day 3, right? So this is complete sections 4 through 6 for 4.3, and then it's our day 2. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. So you're not making your own, you're clicking on the one given to you. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down. So we're doing 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so this says grants and scholarships, right? Are incredibly powerful tools that have helped millions of students graduate college. Watch these 3 students describe their impact grants and scholarships have had on them. Okay, after watching the videos, answer the questions on the right. So it's pretty straightforward. The left side is kind of the directions and the resources you may need to read or watch. And then the right side is where you put your answers on these things. Okay, so you click on this, it'd bring you to YouTube.
Oh, paying for college.
Okay, you'd listen to Sarah's spiel, and then you'd go back, and then you'd answer these 3 questions according to these 3 videos. Okay, this one, another one's watching a video, so you'd watch the video, answer the 4 questions on it. So you can just click right under it, just type it in, right? In this case, say true or whatever, say whatever you think. Okay, if you feel like you want to like change the color or something to make it obvious, like you're writing your own answer in, you can do that, whatever you're comfortable with. Okay. And then same thing for number 6, right? This says read this article. So this one's a little different. You click on it and you read the article. Okay, right here. So you read through this, help you answer these questions here. Sometimes we'll actually have like games that you'll kind of play and then do a reflection on. They might be games on college or saving money, budgeting, things like that. So that's what your like note/work will be. Okay, so you'll be filling out this kind of guided organizer type thing, and then once you're done, in X out, it should save. Then you press mark as done, click it in, and I'll get the notifications. Right, and if you forgot something or you want to attach something, right, you could press unsubmit and just let me know. Maybe write a comment or something like that. Private comment saying I accidentally submitted it and I'm not done. Okay. But you don't have to upload anything on your own, right? You're going through this Google Doc that I post there. Okay. You only have to upload something if I tell you, but most of the time it's through these Google Docs, whether it's a game or project or just these note sections. Okay. All right. Now, every first day of the week, so technically our first day will be like Tuesday starting, like I said. So I'll probably start the date Tuesday, or I might start it Monday and tell you like if we're having a Google Live chat that Monday, what time, and give you the link. As you can see right here in this example, right, is the Google Hangout link. I gave a time for this one. That was from the spring semester. And So the first day of the week, I will post a weekly agenda. The agenda will consist of directions for the day as well as the Google Docs and projects. So, right, here's the directions under the assignment. Here's the link. Okay, so it's telling you to do day 1, 4.3. So your link's right here. Now, this is going to be posted in Classroom like I just showed you before, like this. Like you'll have this post, and it'll just be reiterating the directions, but it will map out the whole week for you so you kind of get a hang of what you need to do for the week. If you have to upload any things, here's a YouTube clip of uploading any assignments. But right, you should know how to do it. You just press add right here. You could add it from Google Drive, file, and create a new thing. I mean, you guys should know how to use that. The last thing, if you haven't before, I used Remind last year. It's very helpful if you're asking questions, you want to get a quick question, because I get the notification right on my phone. Like right off the bat, I have my phone on me all the time while distance teaching. I also get the updates on my remind.com as well. So for your class, this is the actual link right here. I'm going to post this once they have Google Classroom all set up. It's not set up yet. I'm going to post this in there so you have the link, but you could just go to remind.com and put in this classroom code, or, right, might be easier if you have an iPhone or a Samsung or some type of smartphone or a tablet, you can download the Remind app. Okay, it's on your phone. Just search Remind. If you never used it before, it's kind of like communicating with your teacher, and then you can actually communicate with the other students in the class through kind of like text messages or instant messaging. And you can also record voice messages whenever you have like a question or concern. So the Remind app looks like this. This will be your classes. So this one's under demo class because that's what I'm going with. So if you have a question, how do I do this, right? And then if you can't really explain it in text, you could always press attach, and you can attach like a worksheet or a picture of something you're stuck on, or tell me which section, say 4.3, section 5, I'm stuck on this question. Can you help me through it? And I can either reply to you on this, or I can set up like a quick Google Meet with you, whatever's easier. Okay, so the reminder is very helpful because I get this notification that you just sent me. How do I do this? Right off the bat. So it's right on my phone. It pops up. I know that you need help. Okay, so I want everyone to join the Remind class. Like I said on the Google Slides, here's your classroom code. Okay, I'm going to put this on Google Classroom. Sorry, that's my dog barking at the UPS truck. But that's pretty much it. That's my feel for the first day. This whole first week, we'll kind of go through exactly what I like expect from you guys, and like maybe go through some practice note things and things like that. But yep. So have a great first day. Hopefully, if you have any questions on this video, you can join the Remind class that I made for you guys. And you can ask me questions through that if we don't have Google Classroom set up yet. Okay. Have a great first day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.